What is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we are bringing in a rather special model. This is the Eno 64, the collaboration between the Drift Queen Echo Gao and the MadMotors. This is none other than the R32 in Pandem Bodykit. So let's get into the unboxing. This is actually the R32 in the Pandem Bodykit with the Rocketbunny livery, and as you can see, Echo Gao's sign is on the plate, and this is actually one of the amazing R34s which has done by Eno 64, and actually she was the CDC 2018 champion. So this is the Drift Queen's R32. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and always make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And also a major shout out to Nasta's Diecast for bringing in my Eno 64s. And I'll be putting the link down below in the description. You can check out the website, and hope you guys join us with the next video.